Hello everyone and welcome back. WordPress 7.0 is one of the most important updates the platform has released in years. It introduces new collaboration tools, the foundation for AI integrations, improvements to the block editor, and a refreshed admin experience. In this video, I'll walk you through the major features and improvements in WordPress 7.0 and explain how they can improve the way you build and manage websites. Let's get started. The biggest highlight of WordPress 7.0 is real-time collaboration. Until now, WordPress allowed only one person to edit a post at a time. If someone else opened the editor, you would see a message saying the post is locked. With WordPress 7.0, multiple users can work on the same post simultaneously, similar to how Google Docs works. To enable the real-time collaboration feature, go to Settings and select the Writing section. Here, you can find the collaboration feature. Ensure that this option is enabled for real-time collaboration to work. Let's see if I can edit this post, even though an admin user is currently editing it and I am logged in with a different account. I'll click on the Edit button now. As you can see, I am able to edit this post. This demonstrates the power of real-time collaboration. Each collaborator can edit different blocks, and changes appear instantly for everyone. This means editors can review content while writers are still writing. Teams can update different sections of long articles together. Agencies can collaborate with clients directly inside WordPress. This feature is part of Phase 3 of the Gutenberg project, which focuses on making WordPress more collaborative for teams and agencies. Another improvement related to collaboration is the Notes feature. Now, team members can leave comments directly on specific blocks or text inside the editor. For example, an editor can highlight a paragraph and leave feedback like, "Please update this section with the latest data." This makes the editorial process much smoother because feedback happens exactly where the content exists, instead of switching between tools like email, Slack, or Google Docs. Another big step forward is the AI infrastructure being added to WordPress core. Instead of adding a built-in AI writer, WordPress is creating a system that allows plugins and tools to integrate AI features more easily. This includes the Abilities API, which lets plugins declare what actions they can perform in a machine-readable format. Combined with a Model Context Protocol adapter, AI assistants can understand what your WordPress site can do and interact with it safely. The team has launched a new plugin called AI Experiments, which enables you to connect your WordPress site with various AI tools like Gemini and ChatGPT. After installing and activating the plugin, you'll find a new Connectors section in the Settings menu. Here, you can link your site to an AI tool provider and use AI-powered features directly within your WordPress admin and editing experience. For example, in the future, an AI assistant could create posts, update content, generate SEO suggestions, manage media or site settings. This makes WordPress much more AI-ready for future tools and automation. WordPress 7.0 also introduces a responsive editing mode. With this feature, you can control which blocks appear on different screen sizes directly inside the editor. For example, show a block only on desktop, hide certain elements on mobile, customize layouts without writing CSS. This gives content editors much more control over how content looks across devices. WordPress 7.0 also begins modernizing the admin dashboard. The biggest change here is the introduction of DataViews, which replaces traditional list tables used for posts and pages. Overall, the admin area feels faster and more like a modern web application. There are also several important technical updates. For example, WordPress 7.0 increases the minimum PHP requirement to version 7.4, improving security, performance, and compatibility with modern libraries. The editor is also moving toward a more isolated environment, which helps ensure that theme styles and plugins do not break the editing experience. So overall, WordPress 7.0 is less about small feature updates and more about preparing the platform for the future. With collaboration tools, AI integration infrastructure, a refreshed admin interface, and modern development standards, WordPress is evolving into a much more powerful platform for teams and developers. The official release is expected around April 2026, and testing is already available through the beta versions. If you manage WordPress websites, it's a good idea to start testing this update on a staging environment. If you enjoyed this video and want more WordPress tutorials and updates, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.